Hey moneymakers, I've got a quick heads up for anyone looking to transform one single long video into an endless stream of attention-grabbing clips that genuinely drive views and sales. I've been watching creators absolutely blow up by focusing on faceless content and smart repurposing, and honestly, there's one tool that makes that entire hustle ridiculously easy. Imagine achieving a massive audience by uploading hundreds of clips without ever buying views or hiring a huge production team. That's possible because long-form content is absolutely packed with gold moments. The real trick is finding those punchlines, anecdotes, and one-liners fast enough to turn them into ready-to-post vertical videos without spending hours just trimming footage. That's precisely where this automated workflow and the specific tool I'm sharing with you today will completely change your content creation game. We're going to walk through a no-fluff process for building successful faceless review channels or scaling your existing videos into viral short-form assets. This isn't just theory. It's a proven method that creators are using right now to quit the 9-to-5 or massively scale their social presence without endless editing sessions. Stick with me and I'll detail everything. How to pick perfect topics, how to find those viral product moments, how to script naturally using AI, and how this tool automates the editing, scheduling, and publishing for you. I'll even compare a few alternatives so you can clearly see where other platforms missed the mark and why this specific solution truly saves you both precious time and actual money. First, you absolutely must decide on the product category you want to review or repurpose content around to build a solid foundation. You could go hyper-specific, like focusing only on travel hydration gadgets, or you can choose a broader lane like home essentials or pet must-haves. The big advantage of being specific is that you instantly attract a highly targeted audience, which drives affiliate conversions way up. Conversely, the benefit of staying broader is that you get a much wider variety of potential content ideas popping out of every single long video you own. Here is my personal technique for finding those winning topics. I endlessly scroll through YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and even Pinterest looking for what people are actually sharing and commenting on. Pay close attention to the comments section because that often reveals the exact surprising feature or pain point that made someone stop scrolling and engage. If a product video is showing high engagement across the board, that serves as a strong signal to create a short clip highlighting that exact moment. Next, utilize your prompt cheat sheet. Yes, you should have one stashed in a Google Doc, and ask an AI like ChatGPT for specific ideas. Try a prompt like, give me 20 viral product ideas for new parents, complete with attention-grabbing opening hooks for each. The AI will return a list of snackable hooks that you can immediately test when you start trimming your short clips. This next part is the absolute biggest lever you can pull. Instead of filming dozens of new shorts, you start with just one single long-form video. Think interviews, demos, or long live streams. That one long file contains dozens of micro moments that are perfect candidates to be turned into separate, highly engaging social posts. The platform's auto-edit feature is specifically designed to isolate those high-value segments for you automatically. Here's my exact usage method. You upload the entire source video, and the AI immediately begins scanning for those high-energy, high-engagement segments, like when the speaker laughs or strongly emphasizes a major benefit. The software's automated viral clip selection finds those snippets, trims them cleanly, and prepares them as fully vertical, ready-to-post videos without you manually scrubbing through hours of footage. It even goes a step further by suggesting optimized hooks and captions based on the actual content of the clip it extracted. This efficiency is critical because other tools force you to either mark timestamps manually or only handle single clip trimming, which is not scalable. If you truly want scale, aiming for dozens of clips from one long video, you absolutely need this level of automation working for you. Furthermore, some competing platforms complicate their scheduling or hide essential features behind drastically more expensive subscription tiers. This solution elegantly packages automated clip selection, rapid editing, and smart caption suggestions in a way that genuinely speeds up your entire creation process. Whether you plan on using an AI avatar or your own voiceover, you must ensure your final script sounds like a genuine friend recommending something, not just reading a generic product brochure. ChatGPT is incredibly helpful for this, provided you give it a clean, specific prompt that asks for a casual, hook-first script tailored to the specific product and the moment of the clipped video. Feed the AI customer reviews, your own bulleted notes, or even Amazon product descriptions, and request a natural-sounding delivery for a 30 to 45-second spot. Here's a pro tip. Ask ChatGPT to mimic the actual hook style and rhythm of a viral video you admire, but obviously, make sure you use your own unique lines. Once you have that polished script, you simply paste it back into the editor for a high-quality voiceover or to pair it perfectly with the pre-cut video segment. The software has a huge advantage because it supports adding perfectly timed captions automatically, which is essential since the vast majority of viewers consume content with the sound off. While the main voiceover or avatar acts as the anchor for your clip, it's the supporting product visuals and dynamic B-roll that ultimately convince the viewer to buy. You can quickly source those short product clips from places like Amazon pages, Pinterest boards, or even short user-submitted videos, keeping copyright in mind by using tiny snippets. This editor allows you to layer these supplementary images and high-quality B-roll over the main clip timeline with surprising speed and ease, even removing the original audio if you need a cleaner presentation. This careful layering keeps the viewer totally focused on the specific product feature you are trying to highlight in that short segment. For those running dedicated Faceless review channels, you can easily incorporate simple UGC-style overlays directly onto the video. These overlays might include a clear link in bio call to action, the current price, or a single powerful benefit statement that quickly reinforces your message. The system even lets you render these overlays into reusable templates, which guarantees every single clip you publish stays perfectly on brand without extra effort. One of the fastest ways creators burn out is by sacrificing consistency because the daily act of posting still takes up valuable mental energy, even after batch editing. This is where the integrated auto-schedule feature truly becomes your secret weapon. You just set your desired posting frequency, choose the ideal time windows, and the AI handles the rest. You can easily queue up posts for weekends, weekdays, peak engagement hours, or whatever your platform analytics suggest is your best time to publish. The built-in content calendar acts as your central command center, putting the entire posting plan for the week or month in one single easy-to-view location. Within that calendar, you have the flexibility to edit scheduled posts later, or simply drag and drop clips to completely different dates if your strategy shifts. Contrast that convenience with other standalone schedulers that only post to one platform or require you to set up multiple cumbersome integrations, which frankly just creates more tedious work. Never underestimate the power of your caption and thumbnail, because they are the final gatekeepers before someone decides to hit play on your short video. Use the captions the AI generates as an excellent starting point, but always inject a small pinch of your own personality, perhaps with a leading question or a tiny cliffhanger. For thumbnails, stick to bold, attention-grabbing formulas. One big face, one clear product shot, or huge contrasting text elements work wonders. Keep your main call to action subtle but direct. Something like, find the exact model in the link in bio, or check the description for a deeper dive review. Regarding earning affiliate commissions, remember that some platforms heavily restrict direct affiliate links within the short video feed itself. The universally accepted workaround is quite straightforward. Use a single link in your bio that directs viewers to a clean landing page aggregating all your recommended products. You simply reference this mechanism in your clips by saying something like, "The exact product link is waiting for you in my bio." To be fair, there are tools out there that only handle single clip trimming, and others that offer amazing visual effects but leave the crucial scheduling part entirely up to you. Some of these other platforms might seem fine when you are just starting small scale, but they quickly become major friction points as your content output attempts to grow. For instance, Tool A might have fantastic visual effects, but it still forces you to manually hunt down every single clip and schedule every post individually, which drains your productive time. Another competitor, Tool B, might promise AI trimming, but often requires significant manual cleanup afterward, and then charges you an extra fee for every single clip export you make. The true advantage of this platform is its ability to stitch together the entire required workflow, from smart clip detection to automated scheduling, into one seamless package. This holistic approach drastically reduces the mundane busy work, allowing you to spend your limited time focusing on high-leverage strategy like testing new hooks and optimizing your CTAs. Once you establish this repeatable flow, recording a long video, letting the AI extract the clips, adding context, and scheduling, you unlock the real potential to scale your output significantly. Your main goal should be radical consistency. Aim to extract a specific number of clips from every single long video and schedule dedicated batch editing days to maintain momentum. Keep experimenting constantly with different hook formats, testing question hooks, shock hooks, and direct demo hooks to see what resonates best with your audience. Use your platform analytics diligently to identify which hook styles are leading to the most views and double down heavily on those proven winners. If you ever decide you don't want to handle the editing yourself, consider outsourcing just the final upload and caption tweaks, though you'll need much less outsourcing with this level of automation. Ultimately, the reason this entire strategy works so well is that long videos are an untapped content goldmine that this specific tool efficiently converts into a steady, low-effort pipeline of short videos. It is not magic. It is intelligent automation designed specifically to respect the creator's limited time in a very demanding landscape. You still need the core fundamentals, engaging hooks, honest product takes, and that crucial, consistent posting rhythm. But this system eliminates the single biggest bottleneck, the editing and distribution process. So if your goal is to build that Faceless review channel, massively scale your repurposing game, or finally stop sacrificing hours to repetitive clip editing, start by batching your next long-form piece of content today. Let the AI suggest 6 to 10 clips from it, polish them up quickly, and get them scheduled out for the next week, because you will be genuinely surprised how fast positive momentum starts building. If you found this breakdown of the workflow useful, do me a favor. Save this video for later, share this method with a creator friend, and go test this entire process out immediately. Keep creating, keep iterating on your hooks, and above all else, stay consistent and always maintain a little bit of that necessary boldness in your content. Good luck with your first automated batch. And I genuinely want to hear back from you letting me know how the performance compares to your old manual workflow.